Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to position the DentVac when you're using it. I do hygiene standing up, but it works the same sitting down. It shouldn't affect you at all. For the maxillary arch when I'm working, what I usually do is just pull my DentVac over, right over the patient's nose, kind of at like a little bit of a 45-degree angle, as close as I can get to the mouth. This way, when I go in working, I can still see the vacuum's not in my way, but yet it's close enough to capture the aerosol. And then when I move to the bottom arch, of course, this tube kind of gets in the way with my Cavitron end here. So what I do is just simply transition it down, really easy. Again, like another 45-degree angle to the mouth. And when he opens, it's right outside of that lip right there. I'll show you maybe even a little farther down. And that way I get a full range of motion with my Cavitron tip in my hand and it's never in my way. Those are the main two positions I use. It works for me, but like we said, I mean, this can go anywhere. Transition it to wherever you'd like.